Well, hello beer drinkers, and welcome to Beer Tasting Indoors, because we're indoors. We're going to do it in a beer garden, but it's winter time and it's too cold, so we're doing it inside. I'm your beer expert. Just call me Philistine Phil. And today, our first beer is not a beer. It's a rye pale ale from the house of Guinness, no less. It's the Brewers Project at St James's Gate in Dublin. It's a 5% alcohol beer, and we're going to taste it. Well, I say we. Remember, drink responsibly. Do not drink if you're under the age of 18. If you're over the age of 18, do not drink. It's bad for you. Don't do it. Okay? Got a special glass, which is my beer drinking glass, which is a Guinness original glass. And I'm going to show you how to pour a pint of bottled beer. First you need to take the lid off. Very nice lid, it's got to be said. We do like the lids. So we go oof, like that. Look at the smoke. Can you see the smoke coming out of it? Don't think you can. Have a quick smell. First time I've tasted this beer, so it's very exciting. Yes, I do like a good beer, but obviously not to excess. There we go, sorry about the noise there. So there you go, Guinness Pale Ale. Now in order to pour a beer, you actually hold it like that, and you get the glass, and you tip, and pour in very, very slowly, and that way, you see, you don't get massive amounts of froth on the top. There you go. Beautifully done. So, let's have a look at the colour. It's like a browny colour. It's not a usual colour for a Guinness. It's a lot paler, and it's an ale. So they could have called it a pale ale. What they actually called it was Rye Pale Ale. So they kind of got that wrong. But anyway, let's do the sniff test. Smells like beer. Okay then, let's taste it. By the way, just point out, we are not endorsed, sponsored, or anything by Guinness or any other brewer. All the beer we are drinking in this programme, unless otherwise stated, has been purchased by our own money at our own supermarkets. Not that I own a supermarket, but you know what I mean. I've not even had a beer yet, I'm talking gibberish. Anyway, when you're drinking a beer as well, you do it one-handed and you extend the pinky finger. And the reason for that is it makes it more difficult, and therefore if you can't drink properly, you've had too much to drink, and therefore you need to go home. Although if you are at home, then you just need to stop drinking. Okay, so let's have a sniff and a taste. I've had a sniff, let's have a taste. What you need to do is when you take it into your mouth, you swallow it. It's very gassy actually. A little bit disappointed. I thought it was going to be a little bit nicer. Yeah, it's a bit. Yeah, it's okay, I suppose. It's not. Yeah, it's not a Guinness as that we know, but it is part of the Brewers Project. 5% volume. You get 500 millilitres. Pardon me. Told you it was gassy. So yeah, there you go. So that's Rye Pale Ale from Guinness. And I'm going to give it, I think I'll give it a Christopher Biggins, Jeremy Clarkson. That's right, I'm going to give it 2 stars. So that's the first drink of our first very serious programme, which is the Let's Taste Beer. No, it's not, it's called Beer Tasting Indoors from us here at UK Foodies Reviewers. Anyway, Carsey, I've got to go now. Bye.